Hi guys! Today I would like to make Italian almond cookies. This is a very easy and tasty recipe. Let's start! We're gonna need 200 grams almond flour, 70 grams fine sugar. Here I use palm sugar for better health and nicer flavor, but you also can use normal white sugar. 2 egg white, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Mix well until everything combined. Some icing sugar for coating. Some almond for garnish. Here I use blanched almonds, but you guys also can use whole almonds. Then we use a spoon and scoop the batter. Take it and make bowl. Roll the bowl in icing sugar to make the coating. Then put the bowl on the baking tray. Here I got 13 bowls. That means I need 13 almonds. Take the almond and break down on the top of the bowl. Looks so cute, right? Now we need to bring to bake at 170 Celsius at 15 to 20 minutes time until it turns golden brown. I just took out the cookies from the oven. You know my kitchen is full of almond smell and I really wanna eat now. Transfer the cookie to the rack and leave it aside until it completely cool down. Then we can store. Let's see my result. The cookies is chewy with nice flavor. I believe it's best served with tea. Hope you guys will like this video and make it at home. If you guys like my video, please thumb up, subscribe my channel and click on the bell beside to update my new videos. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time.